days inside of me in the night.
6.
So much days inside of me in the night.
They have done well.
Me no think them.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, go on. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. And guess what? Today is Heroes Monday. So, more all of the subscribers them where they are Jamaica, uno stay safe. If you know go on no beach trip, remember safety. Because them there sometimes come like some little crosses, you know. Some unfortunate incident can happen. And I don't want to forward on this platform and report about none of you. You see me? So, wanna just stay safe. So, people, this song we are playing in the background is a song from Chronic Law and it's entitled My Story. Produced by Donwell. And I know said that song you release way up in the ear, probably like in April so. But me I tell the people, I just find myself and listen to that song here from Wadi Hard. So, I share it with the subscriber them. So here it goes.
So much tears inside of me eye the night. Me try not cry. Miss him around time I fly. Who feel it knows it. Who feel it knows it. You see the dogs I'm growing. No life hard, let me tell you my story.
So that's Masicka upgrading his image with a new Porsche. People, it's a good look. Some might say Masicka not really are the good for this year, you know. But if you check in the streets, Masicka still in the streets, still grounded in the street. And if you check the charts them too, right now Masicka have one of the biggest song in Jamaica right now, and that is him and Dexter Daps Leader. You see me? I don't think that song they get enough attention as how it should have get. I don't think say that song they get talked about as how it's supposed to talk about. But still, one of my favorite songs for 2019. And Masicka have a bunch of other songs where they're on my top list for 2019. Later down in the year, we're going to get a list there. But it's a good look for Masicka. You see me? Adjust the image. Not even that song that me get for review star. Anyway, I say it go. Moving on.
Adjust the image. Style up on it. Go every girl in the village. Kind of feel up, you know me all about the business. Girl them a ball for star ball and no skimmage. Wanna tough them girl from me camp and you Guinness.
So, Sean Paul is to be honored tomorrow. And that's a very, very good look. So, Sean Paul to be honored by Jamaican government tomorrow, Monday, October the 21st, at King's House for his contribution to global entertainment with the Order of Distinction Commander Class, one of the nation's highest honor. And it's about time. It's about time Sean Paul be honored. You see me, because Sean Paul are one of the artists them, you know, even though he's underrated in the local space, but Sean Paul do a lot for the Jamaican music, do a lot for dancehall, reggae genre. You see me? And I feel say them not put a lot of respect on Sean Paul name. But right now, them might try correct it, I guess. You see me? So Sean Peasy, it's a good look. Shazy are that kind of probably lame still. Probably cut out a part there.
Big bad blazing and blunting. Make way for the big truck shunting. Steadily we move hunting. Now no time for the war nor the gunting. Yeah, hear me mighty, I just funting.
So like we are on the topic of Sean Paul. Stylo G is set to release his remix of the Dumpling song Bad Man Out and Stunting. That same song there, featuring Sean Paul and Spice. So may I anticipate that one day. I wonder if it go have the same effect like we just touched down the Dove, you know, with Vybz Kartel and Nicki Minaj. I don't know, but me know it's a Spice. I got definitely bring a flair to it, and Sean Paul I got do him thing. You see me? So it's a good look, right? We out and bad. Stunting.
Long live Jamaica, country of the great men, the brave strong woman then. And always remember,
of them we fight to make we better.
So people, literally in the middle of the review, Vybz Kartel dropped that song here. I guess him drop it for years there. But because me done in the middle of the review already, me decide to put it in there. See me? So that song here is literally dedicated to Jamaica. I must say long live Jamaica. In the second verse, me like because I'm big up enough of the era them and enough of Jamaican today nowadays, like youths them, they don't really know about Nanny and Taki and Paul Bogle and them people. Them don't know what them people do for we, do for our forefathers and do for our race, for our heritage. You see me? So I'm glad for that song here for Vybz Kartel can put it in a song and sing about it. Because me are telling you, you know, people, you see, Vybz Kartel, him always do something for make we go research and some things. So hopefully the youths them go research that song here. It name Long Live Jamaica. Good song produced by J Crazy Records. So J Crazy, you find that one, brother, and wanna drop it the right time, right upon Heroes Day. Is a good look.
You see and bout Jesse my me hero. Still said an alcohol till me life out. Taki crown can never ever come down. Nana crown they are same way and Nana town. Me favorite hero a Paul Bogle. Was a pastor we fight and no like no. Some sharp sacrifice cover us is like cloud. Marcus Garvey philosophy.
And definitely, immediately after I finish this review, me I go on one in-depth review Panda song here. Zin? So, stay tuned for that one day. Alright? So people, next topic we want to talk about, the final thing we are going to talk about, is this Popcaan Alkaline throw-word argument. And quite frankly, on a big man level, I kind of tired of it. I don't know if Uno tired of it, but me tired of it. And me I going to tell you why I tired of it. See me? Anytime Alkaline do a song against Popcaan, Zane him nah answer. Even though sometimes Alkaline do subliminal, we attack after the whole white flag argument. Sometimes Alkaline do some little sub where the sub them never come like sub because everybody knows say him them attack and him nah answer. You see me? Like pick your side when them put the Popcaan machine right in the cover art here. We know say him did attack and him not answer. And remember say Alkaline get one of Popcaan get one of the biggest this from Alkaline and him still not really answer. Him not do nothing. You see me? So Popcaan, dog, if you go war on social media, like stop do it. The social media badness no make no sense, brother. Bad inna your song them. Now, Popcaan a promote him Unruly Fest, cause them a keep it again, the Unruly Fest. It look like it's going to be a year-to-year thing. So somebody comment in the comment section and say, yo, Popcaan need to invite Alkaline because for 2020 a unity the thing there and dancehall need peace. Dancehall no want no war. Basically that the person I say. Yo, now Popcaan I go reply and say yo him not invite no fagger. Them boy they a fagger or some argument like so me I say yo Popcaan, dog, it no make no sense. Yeah, throw shades on Instagram, brother. It better you did evil or throw shades straight in your song, but on Instagram or social media badness it there. And now if Alkaline go boom a shot in your head, is like you probably are gonna run or wave white flag or dry to. Dog, you are a real troublemaker, you know. You I swear you're a troublemaker, but wait, somebody I give you one broadboard in the head side one of them tea. You see me? Cause you won't stop walk and look trouble. Alkaline did they were him there and the person they were them there in the comment section. Even though I hear post, you know, but you could have scroll up. You could have even delete it because you have access to delete it. You see me? But now you comment and the whole world see. And people, me I try look for the comment here, you know, but me can't find it because him delete it. You see me? So him comment about it and then delete it. And I feel like say if Alkaline I go do a song against it, I see him say him probably just go so booms and ignore it. Me no know still, but me tired of that something. Yeah. Plus, I you it forward in the interview and say, yo, you want unity and people now repost your album and them bag of foolishness, the brother. So you only want unity when it benefit you or you really want unity. Dog, either on a war or on a low social media tracing. Me tired of it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. And if it's the first time you're watching the Chaddy More TV, hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, remember, one way. Any other way or the wrong way.
Pussy me see me all the while, what make you no run in? Chat alone, them have them my internet name. Full tip out of the 40, well madam me. Nothing personal, I just how we let off steam. Let me telling you.